Hey folks, I'm Tony.
And I'm Tina.
And we're TNT RVing. So we're here at the show checking out some more Rockwoods. And what are we looking at now, team?
We're looking at this brand new 2026 Geo Pro by Rockwood, and it's a G19RL. So come on, let's check it out.
Alrighty, Tina, let's get this tour started, and I'm going to put all the specs in the box down below. So we're going to actually condense this exterior tour a little bit, and we're going to start off first with the front cap here. And this one-piece fiberglass front cap, automotive windshield. Look at this nice dock light as well. On the A-frame, we got room for 2 lead-acid batteries, room for 2 20-pound propane tanks, and also has a power tongue jack, which is really cool. Lippert, they're providing Rockwood Flagstaff with this powder-coated frame, which I really like. And guess what? Lippert's also providing these quick drop stabilizers. Check that out. These are awesome, and they are really stable. Let's work our way up, team. On the side here, we have a solar port. So what you can do is get an external solar panel with a charge controller, plug that in there, and it'll help keep your batteries top charged. Also, what's neat from the factory, comes with a standard 200 watt solar panel, 1800 watt inverter as well. On the side here, frameless windows. Tina, inside of the compartment here, let's take a look here. Magnetic catch, holds the door open nicely. Look at how much room you have in there. Got some tools, and take a look at the aluminum construction. You've got 6-sided aluminum construction on this as well. Fully walkable roof. Rockwood Flagstaff, they really do a good job.
But Tony, can I open that back up, and you can see how that totally clears the window? So you could open the window if you needed to.
That's a good point, Teen. Thanks for pointing that out. All right, continuing along, Teen. Like I said, let's take a look here on the side. Of course, we had a LED light on, but it was strobing, so we shut that off. Got a rail on the side here. That's your furnace exhaust over there. We've got power on the side. Down below, we have the LP disconnect. See, now these are more of an aggressive tire. If you look at these are the Westlake tires, more of a aggressive tread pattern on it. Dexter torsion axles, never adjust brakes, which is really nice. And it also has the TPMS system, so it's measuring your tire pressure along with temperature. And that system is Road Tech. And as Tina's pointing out, the balance beads there. So you no longer need wheel weights. They have a bunch of beads in there, and when the tire's rotating, it balances itself out, which is really cool. Team, let's take a look at this door right here. It's on a friction hinge. So when you're opening and closing it, light winds, what happens is it stays place. So in these heavier winds, you use this arm right here, hook it up to the door, it's gonna stay in place as well. The steps, these are more ride steps, aluminum. They're relatively light. There's no gas shock assist on this, but being that they're light, easy to close them up. And actually, the other thing, this has a lock on it right here to hold them up into place, which is really nice. Let's wrap this up real quick, show them around the back. Right back up here, we're already prepped for a rear camera. Check out these frameless windows here. This ladder, 250-pound capacity. Once you get your 250-pound body up there, no worries about walking on the roof. You're safe. Down below here, 300-pound capacity on that, which is awesome. So you can put a bike rack back there or a tray or what have you, and you're set. Tina, let's wrap up this exterior. It's your turn now.
Okay.
Alrighty, so here's another look at the exterior of the all-new 2026 Rockwood Geo Pro G19RL. Let's take a look at the back. I'm going to sneak around here and take a look at the side, which I didn't show you that compartment there. Another baggage compartment here. Wait, I'll do that real quick. So there's a little space there too, and that's your freshwater tank fill there. So let's get back over and see what Tina's up to. All right, Tina, I had to show them some other exterior features.
Well, come on inside and give it. But before you do, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Come on inside this Geo Pro. For a Geo Pro, look how much headroom I have. This is amazing. So let's start our tour over here. Here's our television set, and you've got this great shelf here. So as you walk in, you can throw your keys, plug in your phone, what have you. And you have this drawer space here. I'm thinking junk drawer, and I'm thinking another nice drawer here. But over here, I'm going to step outside so you can see it a little better, is your Power Pro. Instead of the RV in the Geo Pros, they have the Power Pro. And this is, you can voice command your lights, your water level. You can ask what your tank level is. Hey, Power Pro, shut off the lights.
All of the lights are turned off.
Hey, Power Pro, turn on the lights.
All of the lights are turned on.
Is that not
Neat.
the slickest thing ever? So as we work our way into the back here, you've got this great theater seating for two with these removable arm tables, which I really like this. So you could eat here, you could work here, or you can get rid of them and you can just recline here. And look at this giant window you have in the back here. And it does have the night blinds, so it blocks out all the light. This is really cute. I like this a lot. There is a cubby over here. Tony, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a cubby here that has an outlet, which is very nice. You put all kinds of storage in there. We also have all the storage up here. Look at this. Very nice, and they are soft close. And over here we have the pantry. Look how deep that is, Tony. That's pretty cool. That's my jacket. I have that stored in there. And then there's another little access panel down here so you can get to your lines. And then you have your refrigerator here. This one has the freezer on top, so that's pretty slick, as well as your refrigerator here. We're gonna work our way into the kitchen area. This is a big kitchen area for a Geo Pro. I like this. You've got your stovetop here. It's your Suburban stovetop, and you do have a convection microwave. Here's another cubby space up here, and it is solid wood doors, solid surface countertops, and more cabinet space under here. And of course your handy dandy bottle opener, because you gotta have that. So, and then from here, there is, Tony, I'm going to take the camera from you. There is another cabinet right there. So you have even more storage there as well. So, and Tony, you're back there. Why don't you show what the bedroom looks like?
Well, you have two windows here, team. This is important. I really like this. Of course, the one that is on the camp side, and then you have this emergency exit on this side. So if you want cross ventilation when you're sleeping, awesome. And then you also have this nice front window to look at, which is nice.
Yeah.
And I'm not 100% sure on this bed. This has got to be a 60 by, I'm guessing 70,
72.
maybe.
We'll
put
check
the
it
specs
out.
right down here. We'll try to find it.
But then you also do have cabinet space up there as well.
Here and here.
And then
plenty
all
of
the way
storage.
across.
And check this out. Nice. They're not going to slam as well.
Awesome.
So back up over there too.
Very cool.
And you have an outlet right here. Let me take that. I'll show you that right there.
So down here you have your remote inverter switch as well as an outlet. And then we're going to work our way into the bathroom here. And it has this barn slide style door, which is solid. Nice solid door. So there you go. And it does have this latch for travel mode, which I like. And then you have this cute little shower, which does have a little tub, but you can stand in it. Not gonna lie, it's a little bit on the short size, but I do fit even in the skylight. There's a shower curtain. So I'm going to step out here and show you all this medicine cabinet space you have. That's actually quite a bit. And then you have this nice countertop, a cubby down here, and this is access to your water lines, as well as a little place maybe you can put your toothbrushes in there. So you got that, and then you have the toilet, which I'm going to sit on. And there is a lot of space. I did shut this door with it sitting on here, and Tony's going to leave me in here. So that is pretty nice. And up top you have a max air vent fan.
Really nice.
So I'm going to also show you right outside the door here. You have your thermostat, and you also have your solar controller.
Very good.
So there you go.
What a cute little unit.
This is great. I like this because for a Geo Pro, you do have that separation of space.
You do. So there you have it, folks. I hope you found this video helpful, useful, entertaining possibly, and if you did, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to TNT RVing.
Yeah, give us a big thumbs up, a like, and we'll see you at the campground.
All right, let's go check out some more.
Oh my God.
TNT.